What's going on, YouTube? We've got a great day today, so I'm gonna be going out on a little drive. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me. So let's do it. Let's get to it. So usually I've got a microphone hooked up like right by my license plate, but today I'm just gonna leave just the in-cabin audio. I'm just gonna have it coming like straight from the GoPro. So yeah, I look a little crazy, but you know, it's all good. I'm just gonna let it warm up for a second. Yeah, they're doing some construction on my road, so I gotta go out like the back way, which is fine. I was gonna go the back way anyway, but I mean, look outside. It is a beautiful day. So it's a perfect day for a drive. Look at that. That's real pretty. Anyway, yeah, so let me know in the comments how this sounds. I know I haven't got on it yet, but I'm just trying to let this thing warm up still. You can see my temps. So I don't really have a topic in mind for this video. I'm just kind of out driving around. It's a nice day. I'm just trying to enjoy it. So yeah, I just thought I'd bring you guys along. Maybe you'd enjoy it. I'll get on it a little more. I'm still a little cold, so I'll get there. Don't worry. Oh, that was a bird. That's not good. I'm gonna pull over here in a second and check out what that did to the front of my car. That sucked. I mean, the bird was fine. I'm more worried about my car. Pull into this park. There's like a park up here. I'll check what that bird did to me. But like, I didn't hear like a loud like clank. It should be okay. I just hope it didn't scratch my car. Yep, this is Big Bone Lick State Park. You know what? I don't think anybody's coming. I'm just gonna stop right here in the middle of the road. I just want to take a quick look. It's gonna bother me if I don't. Yeah, where'd that guy, where'd he hit? Maybe that right here. Man, I don't even want to touch it right now, but I don't think it's a scratch. I think that's gonna come out. Worst case, I put a little wax on it. Man, that sucked. But anyway, yeah, this is my 2017 718 Cayman S. She's looking pretty. So yeah, that looks like that'll come out. I think I just don't want to touch it because my car is not the cleanest right now. It's a little dusty. I don't want to get a rag and start wiping on it. It's just gonna scratch it some more. So yeah, let's just go on for the drive. Brought my camera just in case. Go ahead and go. A plane. All right, let's go in front of this truck here. This road back here, it's a fun road. Let me just calm down a bit. Yeah, so I mean that stretch right there, a beautiful road. I love going down this way. Yeah, let me know how the audio sounds. Hopefully it sounds pretty solid. These are a bunch of like grape fields for wine and stuff. There's like a winery. There's some more over here. You guys can see that. Yeah, so this place here runs it. I mean, these are just beautiful roads. I mean, look at that. That's a turkey in the road. Yeah. Wonder if there's any more around here. Surely. I'm gonna try and crack the windows. Maybe that sounds better for you guys. I don't know. houses, I mean, they gotta have a great view. Thank you, sir. Around here. Now what's going on up here? Oh, I thought there were some lights on. I think it's just the sun glaring off the truck. Maybe. I don't know. Might be too far for you guys to even see. Oh, there's some shit in the road. That's what it is. Alright, I think we're good. I don't think there was any straddle in that. I think it hit the fuck out of my car. I'm trying to think. And that's a cop. Okay, well, it's a cop. There was no officer inside. So we're good. Yeah, if a cop pulls me over, I'm chewing my SD card. I was like, what video, officer? But I've kept it cool in the city. Well, not city, I'd say town. It's a better way to describe it. And I'm using a GoPro Hero 11 to film this, and it's great. The video quality is phenomenal, but it tends to overheat a little bit. So I'm trying to just keep an eye on it, make sure that it's not dead. I'm just talking about myself, but so far so good. Usually it would have overheated on me by now, but not today. And that way is a neat road, but it goes so far. Cool, he pulled off. Even better. It's another park over here. I think it's a horse park. You can actually take your horses over there and like walk around, which is neat. You'll see why this is some of my favorite stretch of the road. Uneven pavement here, been here, done that. Oh no, my favorite part. No, it's okay. We got our fun in. There's like this, oh shit, yeah, I see why. We got a tractor on the road. And for some reason, right around here, my radar always goes off. But there's no place for a cop to even sit. But yeah, I always take this fucking turn right here. Oh no, it's not this one, it's the next one. There's a real tight turn. That's a real fun one. It's an interesting yellow. Alright, well, I guess I'll cut to after this tractor has gone his own way, because this is going to be no fun to watch. Some of these bumps, the way I have my camera like on my face like this, it'll like smack me right in the face, right in my nose. It's this turn right here. It's a real fun one. So is this one. This one's a tight one too. cars coming up behind us now. I'm just sandwiched. Oh, and we got this friggin' stoplight thing going on. Well, I will be back with you guys after I sit here for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to be rolling into town here a little bit, so that was about it for the driving, or, you know, driving like a degenerate anyway. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me drive around on this nice, beautiful day. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe if this is something you enjoy, and I will see you guys soon.